So this is how you can send snaps from your camera roll as a normal snap. Now, what I mean by normal snap is basically whenever you send a snap, it's usually a different format than sending from your photos or your gallery or your camera roll. So, if you want to send something from your gallery in the form of an actual snap, then this is the tutorial for you. So, by snap, this is what I mean. As you can see, it says hold to replay. That is the kind of format that Snapchat uses whenever you take actual live pictures from Snapchat. Now, let's figure out how to actually send camera roll pictures as normal snaps. So, open up the camera, and now what you're going to want to do is simply record. And usually, whenever you do this, sometimes there will be a plus button at the bottom left corner where this is. So, what you're going to want to do is press on that plus button, and after you do that, you can simply just add a photo and then delete this video that we just added. Or another thing that you can do is take a picture and now add a sticker. So, if you don't know what a sticker is, basically, this is where you can add other pictures or other stickers, or you could even add those cutouts, which are custom stickers where you can put any kind of image or picture of yourself, and basically, it was sent as a normal snap. So, let's say you actually added a picture from the stickers, it's going to send like this, not an actual photo from the camera roll. So, yeah, that is how you can send snaps from your camera roll as a normal snap. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.